Alright, on this Honeywell panel we got a system low battery. So that's the backup battery for the whole system. We're going to go into the closet where the system is located and swap that battery out. So usually it's going to be in a utility closet somewhere close to the panel. This one is hardwired, some of them are going to be wireless. And then you're going to have like your Honeywell, you're going to have the little box that's putting out the signal, the cell signal on this one. And then you're going to have a battery backup. The box may look different, might have a key or something like that. And you're going to open that box. A lot of times it will have a switch in there that will set off a chime when the security box is opened. And then you're going to swap out the battery. Alarm box here. When you open that, it's going to set off that alarm based on this little plunger right here. That's letting the system know that this box is open. Here's the battery right here. Ultratech UT1240. And so we just picked up another one of these online. Just got a replacement off of Amazon for it. Same battery. Gonna swap this out. Unplug that. Plug this one back in. Alright, we got the check 6, that's the little under is depressed in there. Alright, so we replaced the battery and it'll still say low battery, sometimes for up to 24 hours, but that'll go away. Swap the battery out. The reason it'll still say low battery sometimes is when you get one shipped to you, sometimes that battery is not all the way charged up, so it's gonna charge up and then that message will go away pretty soon. That's how you swap out a battery if you get system low battery.